Good morning everyone, another fine day in beautiful Morocco. Now today's a bit of a strange one. You know when you go on holiday you do these strange, weird, wonderful things that you wouldn't normally do on an everyday basis at home. Well today, believe it or not, I'm going horse riding. I nearly said horse racing then, let's hope not. This trip's cost me 30 quid basically. They pick you up from the hotel, apparently you get a cup of tea with it as well. Really looking forward to this one. Haven't ridden a horse for about 30 years, so this is going to be a bit of an interesting one.
Welcome to Morocco. Join me on this epic journey where I try to discover just some of the many hidden secrets this amazing country has to offer. Its food, its culture, its music, its nightlife, its beaches,
and of course anything else that might just happen to come along. Hello little fella. Look at that. Camels, horses. It's going to be a fantastic day. Hello mate. Hello. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, as you can see, today I'm going on a horse riding trekking tour. Right, I'm on this dodgy looking horse. Do my best to hold on tight. At the moment, I don't know if it's a he or a she actually. Just letting it do its own thing, as you do, you know. Happy days, tally-o. Tally-o, old chap, happy days, here we go. My horse seems all right at the moment. I hope he's not suddenly going to gallop off and leave me hanging, especially not holding me camera. That could be make some good footage, wouldn't it, for everyone else, not me, of course. Never thought I'd come to Morocco and go horse riding. Just goes to show, anything can happen when you're travelling. I'm not complaining, it's actually quite a nice day out. So far seems all right. Yeah, pull to the right to go right and pull to the left to go left. Quite easy. Don't really know how to say stop yet, but I'm sure I'll find out. A little camel trek going on here. Give way to the camels, otherwise they get the hump. Get the hump like that. Get the hump. Happy days. If you want to go on a camel tour, you can go on a camel tour. And onwards and upwards, straight through the brush. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, look at that. Nice scenery, proper Moroccan outback. Peace and quiet, wind in your hair, mud in your eye. What more can you ask for, eh? Last time I was a cowboy, I was in the kitchen. Take no note of that comment. Even though I've been called a cowboy before, today I'm a real cowboy on horseback. So this is it, horse riding in the Moroccan outback. I'll be a little bit wary of my horse at the moment. We haven't quite made good friends, but we're getting there. What a lovely day. And what a beautiful day to go horse riding as well. Look at that. Proper Moroccan old houses over there. Well, new houses, but Moroccan style. Arabic houses, look at that. So beautiful. I don't know what to call my horse. I might call it Trigger. That's a bit common, isn't it, Trigger? Don't know, I'll think of a name. Probably be too late by the time I get a name, but we'll think of something. Anyway, moving onwards gracefully. This is my horse riding tour for today. Don't know where we're going, haven't got a clue. Follow the leader. He seems to know where he's going, so that's the main thing. It's a 2-hour little trek, so I think I'm going to be a little bit bow-legged by the time I finish. But well worth it, well worth it. I mean, just all this little countryside and that. Oh, here we go, I better hang on. Turning left here. Left girl, there's a good girl. Yeah, happy days, see? Who said you couldn't ride a horse? As long as it doesn't start galloping or jumping away, I'll be fine. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Perfect day out. If you're looking for a day out, something to do, only for a couple of hours, but before you go and sit by the pool, it's early in the morning, so you've got plenty of time. And look at this. You just know you're abroad, don't you? Old sheep farmer up ahead, herding his sheep. I was going to say cattle. Cattle are cows, isn't they? What do you call a bunch of sheep? Herd. Herd of sheep. Herding his sheep. Assalamualaikum. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. A little dog on guard as well. Come on, baby. Horse is getting a bit fidgety, but doing all right so far. Happy days. So far, so good. Apparently, you have to let them know that you're in control. But I don't really want to be like that. It's not really fair on the horse, is it? I'll let it be in control until it starts doing silly things, and then we might have to take the reins, so to speak. But for the moment, right, happy days. What a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. Paradise. I wouldn't say paradise, but lovely day out anyway. Probably paradise within its own right. Heading towards what looks like the beach. Could be the beach, could be a river. Not too sure what it is. I guess this is like the salt marshes here. Trying to hold the camera and put the horse in the right direction is not easy. No, you don't like it? Nah, she's fine. She's doing a great job. Pull to the right. There you go. See, easy. Easy when you know how. Camels over there. A lot of people going on camel rides. It's supposed to be a little bit uncomfortable apparently. I haven't tried that one. Maybe that's what I'll do next. If I get enough people commenting saying, Kev, go on a camel ride, then that, my friends, is what I will do. So don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, hit that little notification bell if you'd be so kind. Give me a thumbs up, a little whatever. It all helps my channel. And comments below.
Salt water, salt water.
Salt water. Okay.
Ocean. Ocean, not long time. This side. Beach for Agadir.
Oh, yeah. Hey. There you go. Horse trekking on the Moroccan outback. Who'd have thought it? Do you know what though? It's an absolutely fantastic day out. I haven't ridden a horse for about 30 years, probably 35, probably even more than that. Even then it wasn't proper. But there's nothing too difficult about it. Horse seems to be behaving itself. Literally pull right to go right and pull left to go left. And it tends to do as you tell it. So far, so good. Keep watching. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Don't think it likes this sand very much. I must admit, I wouldn't want to be walking on this sand carrying someone. I think they'd get a better trail, wouldn't you? I suppose we are in the desert, so you're going to have sand, ain't you? horse riding tour in Agadir. What do I think of it? Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic day out. Well, say day out, it's only two hour trek on horseback. Not a lot to it really, just literally grab some horses, go for a little ride on a horse. If you've never ridden on a horse, or if you like your horses, then absolutely perfect way to spend a couple of hours wandering around on horseback, seeing a bit of the Moroccan countryside, so to speak, and yeah, usual stuff. The only downer, I'd say, the only thing that didn't really happen, I didn't see any flamingos. It did say it was a tour where you'd see flamingos. Unfortunately, yeah, maybe they were there, I just didn't see them, I don't know, but no, there was no flamingos. Maybe time of season, I don't know. Anyway, that having been said, it was a fantastic little trip. 30 quid, 33 quid, something like that. Take you straight to the horses, go on your little horse ride, and happy days. Yeah, lovely day out. Chef Travels, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully, see you on the next one. Cheers.